Eric, go my garage. So I'm back with another little smaller video. I wanted to show y'all what it took for me to fix that Escalade. So I got it for a good deal on Marketplace. I paid like $2,800 for it. Like I said, it had like 125 on the dash. But this was the issue. This would throw it into limp mode. This transmission control module, I changed that out. And I changed out this whole body right here. And y'all can get this shit pre-programmed, bro. This shit come pre-programmed now. You ain't got to worry about no dealerships no more. You never got to go to the dealership again, man. Trust what I tell you. And I got mine off eBay. It was $600. It came with this transmission control module and this body right here. I bought these brand new. I ordered them off eBay. And I used my old speed sensor that was on here. That's it. Because the old one didn't come, the new one didn't come with a speed sensor, so I just transferred my speed sensor. But it came with this thing right here, all of this other stuff. So and I also put another wiring harness, that harness that plugs into here. Yes, I had another one of those to put on there. Church and Sons did that for me. It's a shop down here in Michigan called Church and Sons. They did electrical work on that. They put my new harness on. I ordered it off eBay. The new harness, I think, was like, what, $26 for a new harness? And I ordered that off eBay, and that took care of my issue. So if you got that '07 on-up Cadillac Escalade and it's giving you them problems, the hands jumping, the doors locking, and it's doing all that weird stuff, and you thinking it's the body control module and all, it's not. 9 times out of 10, it's your transmission control module and this thing right here. I don't know if this thing was bad, but I changed it out anyways. But I wanted to just show y'all this little video. $600 on eBay, pre-programmed. I did all the work myself. Only thing I didn't do was the wire and connector. And I let Church and Sons do that, and that's a shop down here in Michigan, like I said. Other than that, I dropped this shit myself, did all of this myself, man. Cold Mouth Garage, my truck running like a champ. I done been everywhere in it. No more limp mode, no more jerking hands, no more nothing. That was the issue. So I got me a good truck. Cold Mouth out.